basura. Saan daw bagong aksaya? Di mo alam kung saan na bumabara.
Akala mo sa iyong tinapon na basura ay kusa lang itong mawawala.
We are celebrating the Zero Waste Month with the theme of integrating sustainability and circularity into the informal waste sector. The theme underscores the vital role that the informal waste sector plays in managing solid waste in the country. Informal waste pickers often collect, segregate, and sort recyclable materials such as plastics, metals, and paper from waste streams. This reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills.
Years ago, yung ating pong Republic Act 9003 was enacted, setting the groundwork for a comprehensive approach to solid waste management in the country. So the law has been a catalyst for action, guiding local government units, even our industry sectors, and communities toward proper waste segregation, reduction, recycling, and even yung ating final disposal. So over the years, we have been significant strides from the establishment of materials recovery facilities to increasing awareness on waste reduction practices. As we mark this milestone, we must also acknowledge that the journey is far from over. Marami pa tayong gagawin. So this year's theme, which is integrating sustainability and circularity into the informal waste sector, is more than a catchphrase. It is a call for inclusion, innovation, and empowerment. It challenges all of us here to really rethink our approach to waste management by embracing circular economy principles and ensuring that informal waste sector is an integral part of this transition.
Napakaganda na experience ko sa pag-attend dito sa 9th Regional Environmental Summit, and very inspiring yung mga words ni Executive Director Osorio, and sana sa mga katulad kong Local Chief Executive, pagigtingin pa natin ang ating advocacy sa environment, and sana mas marami pang ganitong summit kung saan matututo ang mga local government units na katulad namin para mas mapaganda pa at mapaigting pa yung mga advokasya natin sa environment.